swear on any believer. I threw my hands in the acid, showed me something. She said, if you dare, come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, now you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. It's not much of a life you live in. It's not just something you take, it's giving. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay.
You are my man, you are my help. Tell me what's happening. I know something's wrong. I can tell when you lie. I can tell you stop trying. And these last 3 weeks passed and we barely talked. I think I know, and it's breaking my heart. Am I in or am I out?
Forever
wanna cry.